Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today, in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to create bonuses so you can promote your affiliate offer in your affiliate marketing business. So if you don't know how to create your bonuses so you can promote your affiliate offer, then watch this episode till the end. But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. And if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to create bonuses so you can promote your affiliate offer in your affiliate marketing business. Here you can see that this is my bonus template. By the way, if you want this template or this report for free, then down below comment bonus template and I will give you this template for free. Right? Now, here, whenever time comes to create your bonuses, first thing that you have to understand that always think that what's the next problem that you are going to solve through your bonuses. What's the next problem of your ideal customer? And before creating bonuses, one more thing that I want to make you clear that why we give bonuses. You might have noticed that when you promote your affiliate offer without giving any bonuses, then nobody will come and they will buy your affiliate offer. Nobody. Maybe one or two, they will come and buy from you. But on the other side, if there is someone, he is promoting the same product, but now here what he is doing, he is giving bonuses. And that way, he is standing out from the competition. He is giving you extra reason to buy from him. And that's why we go and buy that product from him. Why? Because he is giving me bonuses. So, you stand out from the competition. You give extra reason to buy from you. If I'm promoting the product, price is same, features are same, but at the same time there is another guy who is promoting the same product with same price, with same features, but here he is offering bonuses. Now here what we do, we go with that guy because we have to pay the same amount of money, but here we are getting extra thing. And as you know that as a human being, we love free things. No doubt we have to pay the amount, but with that amount we are getting extra thing along with the product that we want to buy. That's why it's very, very important whenever time comes to do affiliate marketing, always give bonuses. Never ever promote your affiliate offer flatly without giving any bonuses. Maybe one or two will come to you, but if you give bonuses, people will come, and if your bonuses are something that provides real value, your bonuses are something that solve their next problem, then they will come to you and they will buy from you. I hope you are getting my point. Why we need to offer bonuses, right? Now, again, whenever time comes to create bonuses, what are the things that we have to keep in our mind? Very first thing, whenever time comes to create your bonuses, always think that what is the next problem that you are going to solve through your bonuses of your ideal customer. No doubt with your affiliate product, you are solving one of the problem for your ideal customer. For example, your ideal customer or your ideal prospect, he wants to know how to do affiliate marketing. So through this product that you are promoting, you are solving this very problem. But what if he doesn't know about how to get traffic? Then you come up with a training where you solve this problem, his next problem. Another thing, what other problems that can be, like he doesn't know how to create email sequence. You can come up with any other training where you talk about how to create email sequence. I hope you are getting my point. So note down all the problems that your ideal customer is facing. Note down, and step by step, considering the problems, you come up with your bonuses. You give bonuses. So think in that way. After going through your affiliate product, what are the other problems that he is going to face? And considering that, you create bonuses. I hope you are getting a point what I'm saying. Got it? Now, your bonuses can be in the format of do it for yourself, where you can provide any training or course that you can give as a bonus. Second one, done with you. Something like your one-to-one coaching that you can give as a bonus, where you solve the problem of your ideal customer. Done with you. Done for you. Something like any software or template or swipe files that you can give as bonus, and that way all they need is just to copy and paste or download the software or plug in or plug the template, which helps to automate their affiliate marketing business or their online business. So these are the, you can say, format that you can go with. Do it for yourself, done with you, and done for you. Now, so here, considering all that to promote your affiliate product, you can come up with bonuses like you can give your one-to-one personal coaching, teaching what you know in your niche or where you have any expertise. So you can talk about, you can teach about this, or what you have learned on daily basis. So in your one-to-one coaching, you can talk about this, you can teach about this. So if you are expert in affiliate marketing, so you can teach about affiliate marketing in your one-to-one coaching call. So that you can give as bonus. Next one, you can give your private Facebook group access as a bonus. Yes, if you have your Facebook group, then you can give access to that group, so that whenever he or she needs any help or whenever they want to ask any question in that group, they can ask the question and you can reply to their question. That can be your bonus. Next, you can offer any free webinar training as bonus. Yeah, if you are doing any webinar training on affiliate marketing or any training related to traffic, you are doing online or through Zoom, then you can give access to this training. It can be live training, or if there is, you can say, replay of this training, so that you can give as bonus. Next one, you can offer free affiliate marketing training as bonus. As a bonus, yeah, it is similar to the webinar training. So yes, if you have any, you can say, training on affiliate marketing or kind of series on affiliate marketing, that you can give as bonus. Next, you can give any books that is of physical version. Here, understand this. When we give something digital version, or when we give something physical version, here the difference between digital version as well as in physical version is that physical version has high perceived value. High perceived value. When we give something that is of physical version, where your ideal customer or your ideal prospect, they can touch on, they can feel that it has high perceived value. So you can give any books. It can be like .com secrets, traffic secrets, expert secrets, covering shipping and handling charges from your own pocket. Here you are not charging shipping and handling charges from them. You are giving from your own pocket. when someone joins or buys affiliate training through your affiliate link, or you can say they buy your affiliate product through you, so that you can give for free by covering up shipping and handling charges from your side, right? Next thing, you can share your exact funnel through which you are promoting your affiliate product as bonus. Yeah, that you can give as bonus, your funnel. Next, you can also offer a private label rights product as a bonus by going to a website like IDPLR. Yes, IDPLR is a website where you can go and buy PLR products, private label rights. It's mean that you can buy the product for a certain amount of money and you can use that product as if your own product, and that you can give as bonus. You can offer any software or Chrome extension or app as a bonus for free, something that automates your ideal prospects business, saving their precious time and money. So yep, you can give any software or Chrome extension or app so that they can automate their business, and that way they can save their precious time and money, and that you can give for free as bonus. You can also offer any funnel template, email template, or email swipe files, etc. that you can give as bonus. Any training on traffic, affiliate marketing, or any training giving solution to the problems of your ideal prospect. So any training there are, you can say, some problems that I see somebody who wants to do affiliate marketing, and one of the biggest problem I see that they face problem in technical things, like they don't know how to create custom domain that redirects their affiliate offer. So that you can do a training on that how to mask the affiliate link directing to the affiliate offer. So you can come up with this training. So overall idea is that think about the problems that your ideal prospect gonna face, and accordingly you come up with the training where you give the solution, right? Next one, your notes on books that you have read or any training you have gone through. Yes, like if you read the books, then you make the notes, and that notes you can give for free as bonus. So these are the things that you can give, right? And here I would say, like, if you brainstorm your mind, then you will find ideas, you will find something that you can give, that you can offer as bonus, right? So these are the things that you can do whenever time comes to create your bonuses so that you can promote your affiliate offer. So always offer bonuses, right? So don't promote your affiliate product flatly. Along with your affiliate product, offer bonuses, give extra reason to buy from you, right? So now you know how to create bonuses so you can promote your affiliate offer. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you want to get this template or this cheat sheet, then yes, do let me know. In the comment, you can type bonus template and I will give you for free. And yes, if you want my book for free, then simply what you have to do, you have to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show, right? So these are the things that you have to do if you want to get my book for free, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.